Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope everyone is safe and fine. I am also very great. At last, November 20 exam is over. For the first time in the history of ICA exam, there are two set of students for this particular exam. One set of students who have written their exam either for one group or both group successfully. Other set of students who have opted out from this exam and now will be preparing for Jan Feb 2021 exam. Correct? So there are two set of students. I have suggestion for both the type of students. First, those students who have written their exam and now waiting for the result. Now this time period means after exam and before result is very important. It will be around 2 months. Correct? I know you have done a lot of hard work for writing the exam and now you are into a stage of party and almost your party is over. Now since your party is over, now I will say you should use this time, means before result, the whatever time is left you should use it very much effectively. So how to use it? A simple word, you should now decide what next after CA. What next means if the result came out and you passed the exam, what is next after CA? That you need to decide. So you need to work on it during this particular period. Now there are many students who have written exam but now they are not confident about passing the exam. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि you have written the exam waiting for the result but you have a doubt in your mind whether you will clear or you will not clear. I will say now if you have a single doubt, start preparing once again. Don't waste your time. Start preparing once again for the exam. If suppose you pass the exam, it is always welcome. It is a happy win-win situation. But suppose if you cannot clear the exam due to any reason, what may be the reason we should not think right now, but practically speaking, suppose if you do not pass the exam, so can you see if you use this time period effectively for the preparation, so do at the time of result you are prepared once again for the next attempt. I hope you are understanding what I am saying. Correct? Now those students who have opted out for November 20 exam and now preparing, of course you have started your preparation for Jan Feb 2021 exam. Only one suggestion, don't panic. Don't panic with any information, any external information. And I know that right now you have one set of doubt in your mind. Every student is asking one doubt. So what is that doubt? I know you have understood what for what doubt I am here because you have seen the screen also. In the screen it is written additional question issued by ICI for May 21 exam and onward. Correct? And this is the only doubt. Whether this revised study material which is issued by ICI for May 21 exam, whether it is relevant for Jan 21 exam or not. Means if you have seen the website, institute website, there are two study material. One study material which is relevant for May 21 exam onward, and one study material which is relevant for May 20 examination onward. Are you able to understand? You can see that institute has not removed the study material for May 20 examination onward even though November 20 exam is over. Why they have not removed? Why they have not removed? Because Jan Feb 21 exam is still there. Means the study material which was relevant for May 21 was relevant for, sorry, the study material which are relevant for May 20 is also relevant for November 20 and will be relevant for Jan Feb 21 exam. Means the revised study material for May 21 onward exam is not at all relevant for Jan Feb 21 exam. This is a clear information given by institute. Even though no notification is there, there are some point for which notification is not required. There is understanding that is clearly understood from this information. Sir, if question is asked from revised study material, some question which has been incorporated in the revised study material, if that question is asked, if I would have been in your position, if I would have been in your situation, I will focus on what I have done. I will never focus on what is not yet done. Even though it might happen institute, because institute always asks something which is not expected, and always have a trend of changing the trend. They may ask some question from revised study material, but can I say for one question, they may ask only one question from there, and for that question you are creating a panic in your mind. And if you create a panic in your mind, what will happen in this period? You will die. My suggestion, do not concentrate on the revised study material. Stick to what you have done. Revise that only. If you revise that much, that will be enough for clearing Jan Feb 21 exam. And even though they ask if you are conceptually strong, you can write down the answer. Write down the answer. Any new question which is coming in the exam, if you are conceptually strong, you can write down the exam, and you don't know which question will be asked. Are you able to understand my suggestion? Focus on what you have done. Don't try to find out any new thing right now. So only one suggestion for the student who are writing the exam for Jan Feb 21 exam. Please do not concentrate on this PDF. Sorry, please do not concentrate on the study material which is relevant for May 21 exam. From my point of view, no question will be asked. Even though they ask, you should not worry right now, because they have not revised only FR paper, they have revised many subjects. Are you getting what I am saying? Correct. So this is a clear point. I am saying do not focus on anything new which has been given by institute for May 21 exam. Even though there may be some chances, there may be chances which is very remote. I will say very remote. In India 37 we also the in India 37 we have done. If the chances are remote, we do not do any accounting treatment for provision. If there is an obligation which are remote, no accounting treatment. So chances are there, but chances are very remote. For that, you should not concentrate right now. Are you able to understand? Yes, sir. So what about May 21 student? Means the student who are writing for May 21 exam. Of course, the student who are writing for May 2021 exam, November 21 exam have already taken classes. And when they have taken classes, whether from me or from any other faculty, the faculty has used the study material which was for May 20 exam. Of course, for them, this May 21 study material is very important, because all the new question which has been issued by institute will be important from examination point of view. And therefore, being an FR faculty, what I have done, I have compiled all the questions, I have compiled all the questions, illustration, examples in one PDF. In one PDF. So you are not supposed to worry about it. You are not supposed to do any research. I have done all the research from your point of view. Correct? Means all the question in days wise has been given in this PDF. You can see in days 1, you can see question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. Question number 4 means 4 new question has been incorporated in days 1. So that 4 question has been given. Correct? Now, in this revised study material, some new para has been added with some new illustration, new example for that particular para. So for that para also, I have incorporated that para, that illustration in this PDF. Sir, if you are not able to understand a particular para, particular question, particular illustration, then what will be there? Of course, this all whatever has been given are conceptual based. If you have taken classes which were conceptual based, you will be able to understand by your own. But if you are not supposed to understand by your own, even though you are my student or not my student, just write down a message in a Telegram group. Sir, please make a video. If the time permit, I will make a video on that particular question or para or illustration. Happy now? So this PDF will be uploaded in my Android app. So recently I have created my one app, Chiranjeev Jain Classes. You can download that app. The link of that app will be given in the description of this video. From that app you can download this PDF. Now one more point, key in this new material, revised material, there are 4 modules. Module 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Correct. This module 3 has been revised today only. Means this module 3, whatever chapters are there in module 3 is revised today. So in this PDF, I have taken only the questions of module 1, module 2 and module 4. So module 3 new questions, new illustration, new para has not yet been incorporated. Soon I will do that and I will intimate you all. Understood? So it means in this PDF only the questions which are incorporated by institute, any question, any illustration, any examples, any para, whatever new for module 1, module 2 and module 4 has been given. Module 3 is still pending from my side because it has been revised, it has been given in ICI website today only. Understood? So I think now doubt is over regarding additional question which has been issued for May 21 exam. The student who are writing for Jan Feb 21, if I would have been in your position, I would have never seen these all question which has been issued by ICI. One question is asked in exam, I will apply my concept and write down in exam. But don't panic, don't panic. Don't ask in any telegram group whether it is applicable, whether it is not applicable. Concentrate what you have, what you don't have right now. Why you are focusing on that? Just apply your common sense. Common sense is not common, because of that reason you are asking so many doubts. Understood? Yes sir. Now two more announcement. Because study material has been revised, so my question bank is need to be revised. The question bank is under revision process. This module for question bank is under revision process for May 21 exam. It will be soon revised and will be available in my website and Android app. You can buy from there. 3-4 days it will take. It will be what, revised and printed, then you can buy from there. Correct? Now about my new recording, because study matter has been revised and there is not one question, two question, more than 100 question has been incorporated in these three module. Abhi module 3 is still to be considered. Module 3 is not yet being considered by me. You can see how many pages are there. 152 pages. Correct? So more than 100 question has been given. So of course now I need to do a new recording for that. So I have started my new recording as per the latest study material of institute. Correct? The new recording is also available in my website. You can buy new recording from the website if you want to buy. Correct? Understood? Now for this recording right now we are not providing pen drive only. It will be in the form of Google Drive. The recording done, it will be uploaded in the Google Drive. You can download from there and you can listen the classes. You can listen the classes. Now in this additional means in this revised material, this consolidated financial statement chapter is totally renewed by the institute, not in terms of concept, in terms of illustration. Means what I have seen, all the illustration which was in the old study material has been revised, means totally changed. Even the concept remains same, but they have incorporated all new illustration, deleting all old illustration. I don't find any reason behind this, but there were some illustration previously in old study matter which were not correct. So they have totally revised the study matter. Don't worry, concept remains same. If you read all the illustrations, you'll understand. So because of that reason, number of question revised in consolidated financial statement is more. However, question of test your knowledge, means all the practical based question remain same. Practical based question remain same. So for consolidated financial statement, even though it is written in the institute study material that it is revised totally, then also there is no need to panic because concept remain same. Correct? Understood? So I hope you have understood what I want to say. Correct? Thank you for the time being. We'll meet soon. Take care. Take care of yourself, your family. Bye bye.